This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Millicent Zamorowski. Traditionally elegant and well-maintained, 1061 Pinehurst Drive is on a quiet street in the heart of Lake Oconee's desirable Harbor Club. Recently painted with a stunning 2021 kitchen renovation, this lovely home has been updated to include high-end finishes and appliances. You'll love the convection wall ovens, the quality of the Wolf gas cooktop, and the dual-zone wine cellar. Your great room is lushly carpeted and features a stacked stone fireplace and vaulted ceiling. Open the French doors to the expansive screened porch and enjoy coffee and after-dinner dessert. Serve a gourmet dinner in your dining room. The primary bedroom suite is conveniently located on the main level. In the primary bath, you'll find a jetted tub, walk-in shower, expansive dual-sink vanity west/makeup area, and a large walk-in closet. Upstairs is an oversized bonus room over the 3-car garage. Downstairs, the terrace level boasts a home theater room, 2 large bedrooms, a full bath, wet bar, and abundant storage. A full-length covered patio off the theater room is a wonderful place to view the number 3 hole and a chip shot from the number 2 green. Easy access to the clubhouse, front and back gates, and the Boathouse Marina. For more information,